Y'all know what time of the year it is, and what better way to open the season than with the South's biggest rivalry. And for that, today we're making a Blackened Dirty Bird Poboy. Check it out. I'm gonna take that Falcon breast, slice it up into quarters. Take that last quarter, throw it away. They're only good for the first 3. You wanna beat the piss out that bird. Get that pan real hot and we'll drop in them birds. Let's make some astroturf. After that, we're gonna go ahead and make a batch of that that whoop ass sauce. Now toast up some of that local French bread. You want to just lay those falcons down on the turf. Come straight down the middle like Camaro with them peppers. And we're gonna cover them falcons like the honey badger with that sauce. Coming to you live from the booth. No matter what happens this Sunday, just remember, we never blew a 25-point lead in the Super Bowl. Who that?